Good idea.
Burp. Lisa,
Huh?
you got it?
Got a what?
You got a burp? Gotta go?
I don't burp.
She doesn't, and she doesn't part. I said puth fart, or what did I say? Something that was like a queef on the last show.
You did?
Um,
You said that was a puss burp.
burp, a
but-
puth burp, yeah.
Puss burp.
Oh, but that would have been kind of a
Oh,
creepy thing.
yeah.
If you would, but that's not how you meant
That's
it.
not what I meant.
No.
You silly
just-
queefer.
Yeah, I just meant, oh, that's a burp? You call that a burp?
Right.
You know what I call you? Queefer Sutherland.
Oh, you know what I call you? Queef Latifah.
Queef Latifah.
I'm Queef Elizabeth.
The third.
First.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sigourney Queefer.
Well, ooh, that was pretty good. So our warm-ups today are by the letter Q.
Yeah, nice.
Goodness.
Okay.